No, I forgot about this anime, don't remind me about it. Hey my delinquents, Deli here. Today we're going to be doing a sus sounds challenge, as in we will try and withstand the power of sus. Okay, anime when parents will calm down. Okay. I'm gonna have to be quick here. Okay, we're gonna have to do that one more time to catch that, were they just doing squats? Like, what am I, the Flash with that? I don't think I've ever heard a man exercise that hard. No, got it, no, got it, no, got it. Ah, close enough. I'll freeze frame it. Anime sus noises. Okay. Just normal noises. It's looking... Okay, it's a bit weird, but like I wouldn't say it's super sus. Like, yeah, no, just funny sounds, just anime noises, funny sounds, not super sus. Just eating, just happy sounds. Yeah, just normal stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. What the hell was in her hand? Oh my god. Oh, is this going into the sus? No crying, okay. Crying isn't automatically sus in anime. We made it through a whole anime girls noise video without it being sus. Even I'm surprised. Let's do bang. I kind of wanted to do Oni-chan because I can feel the sus. But I feel like this one will surprise me. No, I forgot about this anime, don't remind me about it. Oh my god. Oh, that kid's a menace. Bang. Okay, that was just funny. I'm quite happily surprised that the videos I've watched so far haven't been sus. They've just been funny. No one is more surprised than me. Oh no, it's a skit. Something bad's gonna happen here. I need to start saving these videos because people were asking for the links for all the other videos and I was like, I can't find them. I've been Googling them, I can't find them. I'll find them, guys. Everyone who's asking for links, I'll find them, I swear. But hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god.